We are in an amazing park up today. Since being in Italy, we've been hanging out at some quite touristy places, fairly busy, very beautiful, but we wanted to get a bit of space and we've come out to the mountains. And look at this park up, it's just incredible.
You can put it up the fastest.
Ta-da! Since we last saw you, we are once again cooking on gas in here. We managed to find someone who would refill our camping gas.
We got gas, we're cooking on gas.
With these big long drives and stuff, we just haven't had time to do some decent hikes. So today we found a big hike. This place was actually recommended to us by one of our subscribers.
I already love this recommendation. It's just so beautiful, even though we haven't even started the hike yet.
We're fueled up and ready for this hike. I'm really excited. We haven't been on a big hike in ages. And this landscape is so cool. There's so many like jagged, pointy rocks. It's sort of like the Dolomites, or what I imagine them to be like. I've never been.
This is my hiking look today. Look of the day.
Today's hike goes in between two of these little mountain towns, nestled in amongst these spiky, jagged rocks. Coming out to the mountains, it was kind of a hard choice, to be honest, because there are so many must-see locations in Italy that by coming here it feels like we have chosen not to go to some of those other places, but we'll be back. There's so many places I want to go to in Italy.
Okay, this walk is going to be a tough one. Bearing in mind we haven't hiked in a while. Come on legs, you got this.
We've made it to the base of the castle, but it's still not open yet. It's got another 20 minutes apparently. The views are worth the climb. We can see the town we're going to head to this morning. It's a shame the castle isn't open. It says it opens at 10 o'clock. And it's already 10 o'clock. It's a shame because it looks like you can walk all the way up to the top up there.
So we left the UK a month and 2 days ago, and we've been travelling south in search of the sun, as you know, and we have definitely found it. But this episode, we just wanted to escape some of those big destinations, those tourist traps, and just have some time in the mountains, because this is the way me and Tom love doing van life. This is one of the reasons why we live in a van, because it takes us to these nature spots, into the wild, and we just love that peace that the wild spots bring us.
This village feels so much quieter and calmer than anywhere else we've been in Italy so far, and it's really nice change of pace.
Feels like a big deep breath. This is the starting point of our walk, and we've got to literally cross the valley, go right down and all the way back up to another town on the other side. That is so cool how it's just built into the rock.
Isabel's obsessed with the Fiat Pandas.
They're everywhere, like scattered everywhere all over the town. They've got some really cute ones, some of them are 4x4, and I've fallen in love and I can't stop thinking about it. And I'm thinking, guys, what do you reckon? Buy one of these, get a roof tent, go and travel in that. I just want to do it.
Honestly, it's become a little bit difficult getting anywhere fast because Isabel is taking pictures. Every single Fiat Panda we walk past is a full photo shoot.
I'm making a collection.
And there's a lot of Fiat Pandas. I
just want to build a collection so I know which one is my favourite when I buy one. Buy one of them and a tuk-tuk and the little Piaggio minivans. I love it all. I'm so obsessed with how vintage and small they are.
We've just stumbled onto Italian TV. We were just crossing a bridge and there was a cameraman and they said, "Do you mind being on Italian TV?" Like, "No, that's okay."
Obviously I don't, I love the camera.
And so yeah, I think they've caught me tripping over on the bridge.
Oh, and also they caught me saying, "We're on TV!" because I thought they finished filming. This is one of the signs we've been walking past, the Via Ferrata signs. They're everywhere. I'm praying that we're not ending up on a Via Ferrata because I have not got heart for nerves, for heights. I've not got the nerves for heights, and we have not got the equipment.
Much to Isabel's delight, we've branched off from the sign saying Via Ferrata. It looks like we won't be doing any rock climbing today, but the path has become way more overgrown and less official, and it feels, I love it, it feels like a path to Hobbiton.
It does feel like we're exploring, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is cool, I recommend this to anyone, and we're like not even halfway yet.
And we've got the place to ourselves.
Yeah, it's completely quiet.
It's so beautiful.
There's little butterflies buzzing around, wildflowers. It's gorgeous.
So behind me you can already see the town that we're heading to. That's our end goal. Well, that's halfway point. For some reason, because I could see the walk from where we were parked at this morning, I was anticipating a mega walk because it just looks so far, but that's like actually a lot shorter than I expected. Ah, it's beautiful. I made some sarnies. Maybe we should have a sandwich shop at some point. I've lost Tom. He's well and truly gone up there. He's off. When it comes to hiking, Tom his legs just go into turbo mode. He's so fast, he's so energetic, he could go on and on forever. It's kind of funny because Tom's not really into like working out just for the sake of working out, but he really likes doing exercise if there's like a destination or a reason for doing it. So like quite often I'll do workouts outside the van and Tom's not interested, but as soon as we get up the mountain, he's off. He's a mountain goat. Hey, mountain goat. As usual, I am lunchbox chief this morning because I woke up so early. I made us a little packed lunch. As much as I want a pizza marinara, we've got to save money where we can.
When Isabel says she got up early, it makes me sound like a little bit lazy for sleeping in. But she literally has been waking up at 5 for the last like few days.
I've got like the summer energy, and I've just been waking up with the sun. I just love seeing the sunrise colours. It's so gorgeous. Oh.
We're coming into a town that was over the valley when we woke up this morning. I think we've walked about 5k, and this feels like another sleepy mountain town.
Up we go.
This town is a proper maze of little alleyways leading off. I really want to explore all of them, see where they will lead.
It still has not stopped amazing me how much these towns are just completely built into these rocks. It's like they've cut the rock to put their house there. And tell you what, if you lived here, you'd be fit. Oh, there's such a nice feel in this town. It's like you're hidden away and you're really far away from busy life. I really like it.
We have come out of the top of the town and we're still climbing. Oh, it's pretty steep.
This last bit though is really hard, but I was just thinking like, okay, why do I like this? Like, this is uncomfortable. But like, I actually really like the fact it takes your mind like away from wandering and thinking about other things. You're literally thinking like, come on, get through this, like one step in front of the other. And I feel like that's actually really good for you. It's like a moving meditation.
It is kind of tough. It's becoming a little bit more scrambly now, and we're just going up and up and up, and the heat as well. We must be nearing the top though.
We made it to the top, and it's a spectacular view, and we can see the van in the distance on the other side of the valley. It looks so far away. We've come so far, now we've got to go back to it. But the coolest thing about this place is there is a zip line going all the way down into the valley. I don't think it's running today, there's no one around, but we didn't know this was up here. That would have been such a cool thing to do. We could fly back to the van via the zip line. Hi, Laramba. Oh, I'm bracing myself for this walk back. I don't feel like doing it. I want to get a zip line there.
We're heading back down from the high point on this side of the town back in towards the village, and from here you can really get a sense of how the village is built into this rocky landscape. It looks so bizarre. We have wandered out of town and down into the valley. We're now level with the stream, and we have to start heading back up now, up towards the van. It's a bit of a slog. If you don't like hills, I can't recommend the walk, but if you're into your geology, I've got to say it's pretty cool.
Oh, I'm in my last reserves, guys. I feel so weedy today. I'm excited to get back to the van.
We can see our original town of Pietrapertosa, but our last section up was a bit of a fat burner, which I think was needed because we've been eating pizza and drinking wine.
We're back, we're home, yay! Well, look at that view. You cannot beat that view. I am making us a comforting shepherd's pie for dinner. I'll be honest, I wanted pizza, but there's no pizzerias open. After speaking to the locals in that town, they said that this is the sleeping time still for the towns, and things will get started in May. It's going to be more of like deconstructed shepherd's pie. We haven't got time to put it in the Omnia. It's getting dark, and we want to eat outside. We're trying to living in this small space does mean we often eat in bed, but we're really trying to change that habit because it's kind of gross, and we bought fancy new linen sheets, so we don't want to get food on that.
I would love to come back one day with someone who's not scared of heights and do some of the rock climbing and stuff.
Yeah.
I think that'd be really fun.
Gotta keep mashing potatoes. It's getting dark. Woo! Cooking frantic.
Just chilled out, dude. Well, is you're spilling the gravy with your mashing.
Lumpy potatoes.
It's fine. A bit of lump's good. Right.
So if you know me and Tom, you'll know that Tom loves a movie, me not so much. I'm a series girl through and through. I never want to watch a movie, but today is the first day I am saying I want to watch a movie. I feel I want to be more intentional with our TV watching, just put a film on and not aimlessly watch social media and just scroll through lots of different series and binge watch. Just watch one film. So Tom, you can choose what film we watch. It can be anything.
Lord of the Rings.
Oh no. I've been up since 5 and I saw this amazing sunrise.
Sure.
Yeah, definitely keen to stretch our legs. We've just been static for too long.
Repeat what I said. Say something new.
I don't have anything new to say.
Talk about these pointy rocks. They're unusual.
Pointy rocks are unusual.
Give me heck in the comments.
Tom's in his shorts and t-shirt and he's giving me heck for not wearing shorts as well.
I literally said giving heck. That's the first time we've ever said that. I said it twice in one sentence.
My
superiors.
from my company. You're not my superior. Dream on, mate.
Should I put the keys in my pocket? Or do you want to put them in the bag actually? That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Riveting content.
Riveting content.